the all-in-one design and mockup engine. This is the world's most powerful graphics design app featuring a huge library of 7,000 plus ready-to-use customizable designs perfectly sized for all the popular social platforms. Create attention-grabbing designs in high resolution for any niche or topic in all the popular languages at sonic speed without any experience or tech skills. Any type of design that you need in any dimension for any social platform or marketing goal, there is a ready-made, ready-to-use template available. The possibilities are limitless. Choose from thousands of existing design templates or create your own from scratch using the robust design editor that is fully built in. Amazing t-shirt and product mockups, banners, book covers, YouTube thumbnails, brochures, certificates, coupons, flyers, posters, infographics, stunning ads and banners in all the dimensions for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, and other social platforms are included.